Let me show you a simple trick to multiply numbers closer to 100 and as well show you why it works. For instance, if I have 97, which is a number closer to 100, multiplied by 92 is also a number closer to 100. So now let us analyze the two numbers. 97 is 3 less than 100, right? It is closer to 3, but less than 100 by 3, so minus 3 here. But this is 8 less than 100, negative 8. So the pattern is this. If you add this number to this number or this number to this number, you're going to get the same thing. Yes, because 97 take away 8 will give us what? 89. Or 92 plus negative 3 will still give us 89. So the first two digits will be 89. How can we get the other two digits? Because our result will be 4-digit number. Just multiply these two numbers together. Negative 3 times negative 8 is positive 24. Attach it here. And this works for all 2-digit numbers closer to 100. But why does it work? Let me show you. We are going to apply the idea of binomial multiplication. 97 is the same thing as 100 minus 3 times. Remember, we are multiplying this by this. 92 is the same thing as 100 minus 8. So if you multiply this, you must get this 4-digit number. So let me show you how we used to get this first two and the last two. The last two, we have no problem with them because we know it is the product of these two, which we still have here. So, okay, let's expand. Remember, if you are multiplying two binomials, you're going to get 3 times. 3 times, remember your binomials. So the first term will be 100 times 100, which is what? 10,000. And the last term will be the product of negative 3 and negative 4, which is positive 24. So this is the first term, this is the last term. And how do we get the middle term? You take this, you multiply by this, you add, you take this, you multiply by this. So you can see this is negative 800 and negative 300. Negative 800, negative 300, which is going to give us 1100. Negative 1100, 1100. So now pay close attention. This minus this will give us 8900. Yes. So this is where we used to get the 8900. But why do we neglect these two zeros? Because we know we are adding 24. 24 is a 2-digit number, tens and unit. So we have the tens number being 0, the unit number being 0. So just replace them with this, because even if you add, nothing will change. Remember, if you add this, you're going to get 8924. So this 8900 is here. 8900. Instead of adding 24, we decided to attach 24 because we know those two zeros will not affect 24. And that's just the logic. So instead of going through all of this or taking 97 multiplied by 92, 2 times 7 is 14, carry 1. This times, if you understand, this is just a waste of time. But using numbers that have 1 and zeros will always help you in multiplication. Just like numbers closer to 1000. Remember, like 980 is closer to 1000, but less than 1000. So you can utilize 1000 to multiply such numbers. Yes.